Hey everybody, if you don't know me, my name is Lene. I am the manager of Empire Chrome here in West Memphis. I've been working here forever. We are going to start a new vlog series on our YouTube channel. We want to show some behind the scenes stuff, maybe some installation instructions, wiring troubleshooting, because we get so many questions. How do I wire this light up? Especially now that lights are getting more complicated. You've got dual revolution and all sorts of things going on with the lights. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see out of this channel, and we'll try and follow up with you guys. So let's do it. Let's go see what it's like in the Chrome shop. Okay, so if you have never been to our store before, maybe you order online and you have never actually gotten to come through West Memphis, or maybe you're just a San Antonio customer, you're cool too. You get props. This is the outside of our building. There's our Peterbilt. There's all of our employee vehicles. There are so many. It's a nice sunny day, which is awesome because it's been raining in West Memphis for, I think realistically it's 3 weeks, but it feels like 4 years. It feels like it has been raining nonstop for about 4 years. Here we are. Hello, Parky. I'm back from lunch. Where is everybody?
They're back there on the scaffold putting in lights.
Ooh, nice.
LED lights.
Yeah, so I'm trying to vlog for the store, and I said, okay, well, I'll walk in and there will be 14 million questions for me. And there are not. So how boring is this?
How was lunch?
Lunch was wonderful. Thank you for asking. This is Randall. He's one of my other team members. What are you doing, Randall?
Confirmation.
Yeah, he's supposed to be doing an order confirmation, but he's just playing with rulers. Okay, enjoy. I'm moving on.
Alright. So I already got the man down back there doing the left.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he came in.
Aha. Here's another member of my team. This is Sherry. Sherry, what are you doing?
Price changes.
Oh, that's exactly what people want to see. Yes, she's changing prices on things. Woo!
Good or bad.
Oh, here's our custom bumper that's been hanging up there forever. It's never actually been on a truck. You'll notice it has no mounting holes. It's just for fun. Mud flaps, mud flap hangers. That's the door to our shop. There's a truck out here that we worked on earlier. Let's go look at that truck. But we put on these cool rock guards. We put on these breather lights on the front and rear. I'll show you the rear in a second. The cabin sleeper panels down the side. It's basically just a whole new truck. So here's the rear breather lights. Okay, so we're doing some light maintenance, installing LED lights up there, because how are we going to have a Chrome shop full of LED lights and then have old fluorescent lights in the ceiling, right? Richard, you want to give a wave to the vlog camera?
Hello.
Michael, give a wave. And then Sydney is supervising. Okay, I'm going to come back here up past this pile of shipping boxes and see if Randall's done with his order confirmation yet.
No. I gotta go downstairs and finish it though.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, so I gotta get my stuff.
Get your scales.
Yeah, my scales.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he went downstairs.